Alright, you've learned how to talk to ChatGPT and how to make it work faster. Now it's time for the big one. How to turn it into a money machine, fuel your creativity, and avoid the mistakes that block 99% of beginners. Hack 11. Build business models with AI. Stop asking ChatGPT, how can I make money online? That's the rookie prayer.
Instead, make it your strategist. Try this. You are a business consultant. I have $500, 5 hours per day, and I'm skilled at writing. Give me 3 business ideas with step-by-step execution plans.
This structure forces AI to give you tailored, realistic, step-by-step business blueprints, not those vague, start dropshipping answers.
ChatGPT becomes your silent business partner who actually does research and doesn't ask for equity, unlike some people.
Hey, what did you say?
And moving on, Hack 12, creative brainstorming on steroids.
If you're stuck, tell ChatGPT to think in roles. You're a viral content strategist. Brainstorm 10 TikTok ideas about productivity.
That's basically an unlimited creative department. No salaries, no drama, no one asking, can we hop on a quick Zoom call?
And if you want visuals, stack it with Midjourney, CArt AI, Leonardo AI, Canva Magic Studio, and so on. Simply prompt the idea here and generate it instantly there. Your entire creative process becomes plug and play.
Hack 13. The 80-20 research rule. Let AI do the heavy lifting, and you focus on judgment and criticism.
An example. Compare the top 5 project management tools. Make a pros and cons table. Recommend the best option for a small remote team. Boom! 2 hours of research compressed into 20 seconds.
Give it structure, and it becomes your analyst, not a glorified search bar.
Hack 14. Don't trust AI blindly. ChatGPT can be confidently wrong. Smart, but wrong.
Always fact-check anything serious. Use this phrase. Verify using current data or official sources.
And don't paste sensitive info, passwords, private addresses, client documents. AI is powerful, but treat it like a public workspace, not your diary.
Hack 15. The demo hack. Don't just ask ChatGPT to explain things, ask it to show you.
For example, show me step-by-step how to write a viral YouTube script about AI productivity. Start with the hook.
You refine each step, it upgrades the next result, and suddenly you've built a full script, plan, or workflow. This is how you go from curious user to AI power player.
All right, before we close, let's talk about a feature almost nobody uses, branching out. It's basically conversation cloning for creative experimentation.
Imagine you're building a business plan or script. You like the direction, but want to test a different tone or new version. Normally, you would edit the message and ruin your flow. With branching out, you click Branch and open a new universe from that exact point.
It's a multiverse for your ideas. One version can be serious, one creative, one absolutely unhinged, all running side by side.
Writers, editors, developers, marketers, this is game-changing. You can compare outputs directly, merge the best parts, and save hours of trial and error.
It turns ChatGPT from a single pipeline into a creative sandbox. Once you start branching, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it.
And that wraps your ChatGPT Masterclass. 15 powerful hacks to master prompting, boost productivity, and build real-world value.
Everything we shared today is practical, tested, and ready for you to use right now.
Remember, it's not about using AI. It's about using it better than everyone else.
We dropped all the prompts below. Copy them, test them, and tell us which one blew your mind. This is Brain Fart Bros, where smart ideas start with a spark or a brain fart. See you in the next one.